Well, it's good morning for me, Simon, and it's day 2 of the Fibreglass renovation. Let's call it the abandoned pool. Fibreglass renovation, supposed to make it a bit more dramatic. But you know what? It's a pool that or the type of pool that we do quite often, neglected maybe over the winter time or summertime. And it's just time for a new pool. So it's day 2. We've done the relining. The Fibreglass work is done. So the construction of it, or the strength of it, has been sorted out. So all the cracks has been sealed. In fact, there was some cracks on the area around about here. We filled it in. We're going to just smooth it out now this afternoon, seal it up again. And then there was some spots where there was quite a bit of algae stains and things that we've sorted out. So the lining has been done. So the only thing I also want to tell you is that if you look underneath here, I hope I can get it into the frame. We've grinded a gap in here so that we can actually tuck the Fibreglass underneath it to ensure that there's a proper seal. So that's it. We will be back again with the finished pool tomorrow. I'll see you later. Simon again here. This will be a quick one. We're done with the pool. It's still empty though. So I just want to give you some close-ups and see what the pool looks like and what we've done. But I think you can get a good idea. Maybe the sun is in your way. Hope not. But well, let me go show you. Hi guys, last video, and this is what the pool looks like here. I hope you can see it. It's the final product. Customer very happy, and we're very happy. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and also the details will be at the back of this video. From my side, till the next video, see you again.